Hi, this is Phil Hinton and welcome back to our coverage from the EI Live show. We're on the JVC stand. We're going to look at some of the new models that have been announced here. So let's head over to Tim and we're going to find out about the NZ500.
So my name's Tim, I'm the UK sales manager for JVC Projectors. We recently announced the DLA-NZ500, which replaces our current MP5 lamp-based model. One of the big changes with the NZ500 is it's now a laser rather than a lamp-based product, and within that we've also introduced a new chassis. So the chassis size is around 35% smaller than the outgoing MP5 and NZ7 models.
And the reason for the smaller chassis on that model is why?
Yeah, I think certainly a lot of the installers I've spoken to today are really pleased about that. So a lot of people who are potentially using projector lifts, it's much easier to fit a smaller projector in a projector lift. But I think, I think generally just making it a bit more friendly to use in multi-use environments. So maybe people have got a media room and they don't want necessarily such a large projector hanging from their ceiling. So
when you look at the flagship 900 compared to the 500, there's quite a big difference there in terms of price. You've tried to keep the 500 down into a more manageable area of the market. What's had to go for you to manage that?
Okay, so there's a few differences when you look at the flagship NZ900. One of the key flagship features of that is we're using a 100mm all-glass lens within that unit, which is quite a high-priced product. So with the NZ500, NZ700, we're now using a 85mm lens, which is 15 elements. 14 of those elements are glass, but one of those elements is a resin, so the front lens is a resin. So that's one way that we keep costs down. Also the NZ500 and NZ700 are native 4K, but they don't offer the 8K E-shift that we offer on the NZ800 and 900, so that's another feature. And I guess one thing that your listeners and readers might be interested in is NZ800 and 900 do support 3D. NZ500 and NZ700 no longer support 3D technology.
So who is it that you're aiming the 500 at? What's the consumer that you're looking for there?
Yeah, I think there's a big market for NZ500. Obviously people that are looking for the quality of a native 4K projector. Perhaps someone that's had a lamp-based product for a long time and wants to take that step into laser technology, but also someone that wants something that's perhaps living room friendly, media room friendly, that doesn't take up as much space. The benefits of the laser technology as well, it's a bit more environmentally friendly as well, so it's not drawing as much power as the old lamp-based product. And again, with laser technology, you've got an average life of around 20,000 hours compared to a lamp-based product.
Well, Tim, it looks like a fantastic model. What kind of price point are we looking at when this comes to market?
So when they launch in November, we're looking at $6,499 for the NZ500, and the NZ700 will launch in the UK at $9,499.